In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get UK Business Revolut account. Let's walk through the full sign-up flow together so you know exactly what to expect and what details to have ready. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. From the official site, choose the option to create an account. When prompted, set your country to the United Kingdom. This is important because products and verification requirements vary by location. Click Continue to move ahead. Next, select your legal business type. Pick the option that matches how your company is set up, such as a limited company or sole trader. Click Continue, then enter your email address. Using a business email can make it easier to manage communications. Continue again, then head to your inbox and authorize the login from the message you receive. This confirms you own the email you just entered. You'll now enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected before you proceed. Click Continue and input the verification code sent to your phone. Create a secure password you'll remember and keep it safe. Click Continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Then add your residential address. Use your current accurate address so identity checks go smoothly. Click Continue. You'll be asked to find your business by searching its legal name. Select the correct result and continue. Now fill in your core business details. That includes your legal business name, your company's house registration number, and your date of incorporation. If you're not sure, you can confirm these on the company's house register before starting. Click Continue. Enter your business address, including the city and postcode. If your registered and trading addresses differ, provide the one the form asks for and make sure it matches official records where applicable. Click Continue. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue to begin. Choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or driving license, then select Start Record Video. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture your document and complete the short liveness video. Good lighting, a steady hand, and clear visibility of your face and ID will help the review pass quickly. Once verification is complete, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you can finish any remaining profile prompts and begin exploring your account. If any checks are still processing, keep an eye on notifications for updates. And that's it. You've created your UK Business Revolut account.